How to sign out or log out of your Cash App account. If you are signed into your Cash App account and then you decide that you would like to log out of your Cash App account, well, that's very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then simply launch Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, this is the type of interface that you should be able to see. What you have to do from here is, you can see that I'm currently logged into my account, right? So to log out, all I have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap on the profile icon from the top right, this is the interface I will see again. Then all I have to do from here is just scroll down all the way to the very bottom until you see this option right here that says sign out. So all you have to do is tap on the sign out button, which is the red button right here. It will log you out of your account, and if you want, you can go ahead and then sign in back to another account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.